Welcome back to Code and Current Studio. Today we're building a digital clock on the 16x2 I²C LCD. We'll format hours, minutes, and AM or PM cleanly and blink the colon. Perfect practice for LCD positioning and updates. Materials needed for this build: the Arduino board, 16x2 LCD, 3 switches with the resistors, and some jumper wires. The LCD uses SDA and SCL pins for I²C communication. The hour, minute, AM, PM switches connect to pins 5, 6, and 7 on the Arduino board. Ensure common grounds and 5-volt power for each component. I wanted to highlight a few lines of code here that would be needed for any time we use an LCD, the I²C LCD screen. So the first one here is going to be the include Adafruit LiquidCrystal.h. So this is going to be the library for this particular LCD. In this program, there's other libraries for this as well. Line 5 here, Adafruit LiquidCrystal LCD 0 designates and initializes the LCD screen. For example, this is LCD screen 0 to 0. If we used multiples, we would need to designate it as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Also, these LCD related lines of code here: LCD begin 16,2, LCD dot setback backlight high initializes the display, turns on the backlight. Let's start the simulation here. So we started off at 12:34 p.m. In the code, we can see here that that's just kind of what we've programmed it to start at. So hours, minutes, we can adjust this to make it start wherever we wanted to. I do want to let it roll for just a minute here so we can see it change from 34 to 35. So take about another 45 seconds, 40 seconds or so. While we're doing that, waiting on that, we can talk about the buttons. So the buttons will adjust. This first button here will adjust the hours by 1, or if we hold it down, it'll roll quicker through the different hours, 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4, very quickly, or we can press it and it'll adjust 1 hour at a time. Same thing for the minute button here. This is going to be the minute button, so we can press it to adjust by increments of 1, or we can hold it down and it'll quickly roll through the numbers. The third button here is just going to be for AM and PM. If we wanted to switch back and forth quickly in those, if not, we can also just hold down the hour button, and as it rolls back around through the time, it'll automatically change. Once it hits the different 12 o'clock, it'll adjust those times, the AM and PM as well too. So let's give it another couple seconds here and we'll see it change to 35. And then we'll press the buttons and watch those work as well too. There it goes to 35. So if we wanted to change it in increment and change this 12 to a 1, we would just press the button there. If we wanted to change it quickly, we could hold the button down. See it change. Same thing for the 35, the minutes here. If we press it once, we can get one more number out of it, one more increment out of it. If we hold it down, it moves a little bit quicker. And then the same thing with the AM and the PM. Switch it back and forth. Or we can just hold this down and watch it switch as well. Try adding new features like an alarm or a timer. Share your ideas and improvements in the comments. Great job, you've turned the LCD into a clean digital clock. Next up, we're going to monitor the voltage coming out of a lemon and a potato. Like, comment, and subscribe for more projects.